In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Inkscape. By the end, you'll know a simple, repeatable way to isolate your subject and make the background transparent using Inkscape's built-in tools. Start by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give it a second to load, and you'll see a blank canvas. You can work in any document you already have or start fresh. If you're opening something existing, go to File, then Open and choose your file. If you prefer a clean slate, choose File, then New to create a new document. Now let's bring in the image you want to edit. Go to File, then Import and select your picture. When the Import dialog appears, confirm your choice by clicking Import. If you see options like linking versus embedding, embedding keeps the image self-contained in your file, which is usually easier to manage. Once it appears on the canvas, position it so it's easy to see. Click the image to make sure it's selected. Next, go to the Path menu at the top and choose Trace Bitmap. This opens the Trace Bitmap dialog, which is where the background removal magic happens. You're going to create a vector trace of your subject and strip out the background at the same time. If your image is black and white or has very high contrast, choose Single Scan and select Brightness Cutoff. Adjust the cutoff slider to control what counts as foreground. A lower value includes darker areas. A higher value includes lighter areas. Use the live preview if available to check edges and make sure the subject is fully captured without pulling in too much background. If your image is in color, switch to multicolor and choose colors. Reduce the number of scans to roughly match the number of major colors in your subject. Fewer scans mean a cleaner, simpler result. More scans can capture subtle shading, but may add complexity. Aim for the fewest scans that still look accurate in the preview. Before applying, check the box labeled Remove Background. This tells Inkscape to make everything outside the traced subject transparent in the resulting vector. Click Apply. Inkscape will generate a new vector version directly on top of your original image. Close the Trace Bitmap dialog if you're done testing. Drag the new vector away so you can compare it with the original. If you like the result, select the original photo and delete it. If not, undo, tweak the Trace Bitmap settings, and apply again until you're satisfied. That's it. You've removed the background in Inkscape and created a clean vector with transparency, ready for design, logos, or export to formats that support transparent backgrounds.